To manage permissions on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you will have to scroll down until you find the security and privacy. Let's go in there. From here scroll down again and you have to go for the privacy controls right here, and there we have the permission manager. So let's go in there, and here are all of the permissions which you can manage on your phone. So let's for example say that you want to manage the location permissions. So simply let's go in there, and from here we have all of these applications which can use location. So let's say that I want to disable permission, the location permission for the Chrome. So let's select this application, and from here simply select to don't allow, and do not allow anyway. And from here you can see that this Google Chrome disappeared from here, and currently it is in now not allowed. And let's say that I want to enable permissions for the location for camera. So let's go in there, and here you can select to ask every time or allow only while using the application. So simply select any of these, whichever you want, and from here the camera application will have the permissions to use the location services. And it is the same for all of these permissions right here. Let's for example change these microphone permissions. For the camera, let's for example disable them so it will not be able to use it. And as you can see, it just disappeared from here and it is now in not allowed. So that is pretty simple.